Assalamu alaikum, grade 5. How are you all? Yes, students, nowadays we are studying our lesson number 3, that is a life in a desert. Before this, we have discussed about what is desert, what are the kinds of desert, and then we saw that which type of a land we found in desert, which sort of vegetation is present in desert, and lastly, we have seen that which type of animal and which type of people live there. Now, today, what we are going to discuss that is a desert country. That we will discuss an example of a desert country, and for that, we will discuss about Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is a desert country, and which desert is it? That's the Arabian Desert. Arabian Desert, a very famous desert. The whole area of Middle East come across this desert. Today we will see that according to the area, according to the climate, what is the climate of Saudi Arabia, and when we talk about a desert, what can be its climate, what can be the facilities of that area, how the life can be over there. But still, we will see that Saudi Arabia, being a desert country, it is also a very developed country. How it become a developed country? How a desert can be a developed? We will discuss it today. Saudi Arabia is a desert country, is a country that lies almost entirely within a desert. It's almost entirely the whole area of Saudi Arabia is desert. Today, it is one of the most developed countries in the Middle East. When we talk about the desert, we see that in the desert we have very less rainfall, we are having less facilities of life, less development. But still, we are saying that Saudi Arabia is a developed country. That's a big thing. Why it is developed, we will see it. This has been possible because in Saudi Arabia, as in many other desert country, like you can also quote the example of Oman as well, because it is also lies in the Middle East area. It is also desert area. There are vast amount of oil. Oil is the source of energy for industry, transport, and power. Everyone needs oil. Saudi Arabia sells its oil all over the world, and with the money it gets, it is able to improve the life of its people. The main reason why this desert area become a developed country just because of the oil, just because of the oil reserves. Okay, this is the source of income for Saudi Arabia, that it sells its oil all over the world and earn any money in return. And money, this money is the source of development. This money is the source of facilities which provide the facilities which have improved the lives of the people living over there. And you will also see that there are some areas in Saudi Arabia where there is cultivation, where this cultivation is, where the land is fertile. Overall, when we talk about Saudi Arabia being a desert country, we will see that there is very less rainfall, and even there are no large rivers in Arabia as well, but only seasonal streams. When the rains falls, wadis flows, and the water from underground sources is pumped up and distributed. Okay. In some other places, salty seawater is desalinated to make fresh water to be used by the people. What happened? The salty water is changed into the form of a fresh water by a process desalination, and due to this process, this water is used for further, it can be used for drinking as well when it has become in the form of a fresh water. Even wastewater, which comes from the factories, are also wastewater is also recycled and used for sanitation and irrigation purpose. We will see that working in a desert is uncomfortable, as we all know, just because of the hot climate, just because of unavailability, because of resources and availability of resources. Mm. And you can say lack of development. These are the main things that make the life very uncomfortable in the desert area. It is very hot. Food and other goods have to be brought from distant places. Like it is said that on some one place there is no availability of water. What you have to do? You have to travel to other areas to fetch the water. There are few trees to provide shade. As we know that in desert area we don't find trees because vegetation is not there. There is little entertainment. Traveling from one place to another is mainly by road and not always easy between the cities. However, one can travel by air. In Saudi Arabia, the oil companies have set up well equipped and comfortable housing colonies with modern facilities for their workers. When this area of desert, when Saudi Arabia got the reserves of oil, what happened? Companies come over there in that area and they start working. And when they start working, they hired the workers. And the development of the country start when they start selling their oil to the whole world, to the other countries as well. They earn money and they start providing the facilities, even the modern facilities, to the worker. Like you can see now everywhere in any when we start from home, we talk about the markets, we talk about the offices, we talk about the schools. Everywhere you will see that everything is air conditioned. Okay, that has minimized the effect of the hot climate. Now the companies are well, yeah, maintained. You can say the people are rich enough that they can afford these facilities. So oil companies have set up well equipped and comfortable housing colonies with modern facilities for their workers. You can see the example of Jeddah as well. This is a desert country. Even when you will imagine that it is a desert country, what comes in your mind? All over there is sand, there are like plants like cactus as well. This can be the image, and even the people are nomadics. But here you see the tall buildings, high buildings over there, modern buildings, modern infrastructure, roads. What does it shows? It shows that it is a developed country, and Jeddah is an example of a modern city because these countries are rich enough. How they become rich? Because of the oil. Today, desert countries such as Saudi Arabia are very rich. Small villages have grown into large cities. Many modern air-conditioned hotels, hospitals, schools, offices, and factories have been built in these cities. Okay, student, this was all for the today's class, and our this lesson has been closed now. We will do question number 5 today. You have to write this question in your notebooks as well. How has Saudi Arabia become a rich country? As we have discussed it before, one of the main reasons is oil. Saudi Arabia has large reserves of oil underground. The government sells the oil and uses the money for the development of the country. What you have to do, you have to learn all the questions and you have to write them in your notebooks as well. Okay, students, Allah Hafiz, take good care of yourself. Inshallah, see you in the next class with a new lesson as well. Allah Hafiz.